Chainlink price update on the weekly chart. We're looking at possibilities. Where could Chainlink bottom? Is there anything wrong? Is all hope lost? Of course not. So let's look at the chart. We have a move up, a breakout, if you will, from our previous base here that we consolidated for several months. Massive explosive move. We topped out at the paltry price of $31. Now we've moved back down. We've broken the EMA, closed below it last week at the weekly close. So far, we're still great. We're holding the 21-week EMA at 1782 currently. That's also above our 618 and our previous kind of high top there, right? You can see previous high is new low, 21 week. Is that the bottom? It could be. Does it have to be? Of course not. Where could we look if we go lower? If the whole market continues down, if Bitcoin goes down to the 80s, where would Chainlink go? I'm glad you asked. Let's look at it. You can see this zone. Here's our next macro zone, and this is a big one. The macro 236 from the last cycle is at 1625 or so. We have also the 0.5 fib from our swing high to low here, which would be coincidentally about half of this move, right? 31 high, 1550 low, another fib retracement of 50%. All this in alignment speaks like this is a bigger level. So that would be my opinion on the low that Chainlink could go. The possible macro low around 1550 if we continue down. Not only that, but I'll back it up even more because I know you're thinking it. All right, so current prices. It's about 15% lower to that, right? 15-16%. Okay, so what gives? Who cares? You should, because let's go look at altcoins. How about this? Total 3. Altcoins. Altcoin market cap, right? We're just under $1 trillion. Okay, who cares? Well, how about this swing high? Our breakout is our 618 retrace is at 800 billion. If we go lower, that would be a loading zone of a lifetime, in my opinion. That'd be a great opportunity. How much lower is that? About 15%. If the entire market cap's going to go down about 15%, possibly. Now, it could very well bounce here. The lows could be in, right? You never know anything. But if we could possibly go down another 15% roughly, and Chainlink, the multi-billion-dollar asset that it is holding up better than many coins, why would that go down more than 15%? It likely wouldn't. So, also, macro zone, around 15%. Total 3 could go down around 15%. Math says that's about right. Worst case scenario, that's what I'm looking at. That's Chainlink. And not only that, but guess what? How about we put on the weekly Gaussian channel? It's right there as well. We have our low median line at 1380. We're still bullish, right? And this, by definition, on the Gaussian channel, even if we come down to it, the top of the Gaussian channel is at 1745. You've got to be bullish. You're above your 21 week. You're above the Gaussian channel on the weekly. The Gaussian channel just turned back green. What's not to like? The short term. You're focused too short term if you're not bullish here. Looks absolutely picture perfect. We're still great, right? Just going parabolic from 13 to 30 in a handful of weeks, you get a little bit of a move back down. It's just building, right? Stair stepping. We build a platform down here, catapult out. Maybe we build another one down here, much higher, right? This one, we built it between 10 to 12. Maybe we build this one between, 15 to 17, 17 to 20, something like that. And then guess what? Rinse and repeat. The next move, the highs, well, our 618, we've kind of already hit that. We got very damn close. Our next target, like 42 to 46. This is the next target. We're not looking at anything else and that doesn't have a 4 in front of it, okay? Here we go. 42 to 46 when we get going again. And I would think in the not so distant future. I'm looking like 30 days out. Mid-February, I would be shocked if Link's not knocking on the door of 30 yet again already, even though we're at 18 right now. Think of that. 30 days from now, easily could see a 3 in front. If not, maybe knocking on the door of 4. Don't give up. This is the time where you make the money. If you're wanting to buy more, right, you buy on the red, you sell on the green, or just hold, right? In this phase of the cycle, you're hopefully not selling the green, right? Right, we got plenty of time to go. This is just building up for the rocket fuel that is ahead for said Chainlink. All right, quote and card of the day. If you obey all the rules, you miss all the fun. By Katie Hepburn. She doesn't go by Katie, I don't think. Card of the day, 4GT for the rear, because we got to start at the most magnificent artwork. I mean, holy hell. If you don't like that, get the hell out. Maybe the best thing America's designed for supercars, for sure. Absolutely great. The front, there you go. And Chainlink Blue, of course. All right, that is our update. If you want more help navigating this cycle and you're watching this far, I assume you're already following me in our Telegram group. But if not, try out the silver. You get a lot of extra daily content and a lot of extra teaching and helpful tips along this cycle. All right, I'll see you there.